Hi, so I had a chance to visit Aavaran Skin Clinic around a month ago and I was assigned to Dr. Rupak Ghimire and this funny thing happened. So I went inside, met Dr. Ghimire and he had no idea that I was the skincare enthusiast here in Instagram, and at that time I had a lot of acne because of all the food that I ate in Dashain. And Dr. Ghimire started explaining about the basic things about acne, like what is the meaning of comedogenic, how acne is formed and so on. And as an acne sufferer for the past 8 years and as a skincare enthusiast, I already knew these basic things about acne. So I kept on listening, and after a few minutes, I revealed who I was, and then we shared a moment of laughter. However, I loved the way how he felt the importance of explaining these basic things to an acne patient. Genuinely speaking, what I loved about Aavaran is before talking about my skin, they checked my blood pressure, whether I have other diseases like diabetes or thyroid. They checked my weight, my age, and everything before jumping into skincare. I love how Dr. Ghimire asked me about my menstrual health because it matters so much when it comes to skincare. And he also asked me about my diet and how I should be limiting food with high glycemic index. And I've never heard of any other skin clinics that pay attention to these small things. Now moving on to skincare products, Aavaran sells a lot of skincare products. I saw a lot of Cetaphil there, and then I thought now Dr. Rupak would suggest me some skincare products from his clinic, some expensive products, but to my surprise he didn't. He firstly asked me about my skincare products and I told him about how I use affordable skincare products and how amazing it had been working. And he agreed, he was satisfied with what I was using. And that is when he told me about clindamycin phosphate and he suggested me to use that for my acne. And he also beautifully explained about types of acne, different types of acne and different acne medications as well. He made sure that I was educated and aware of what I was doing with my skin. Genuinely speaking, I don't think Aavaran tries to sell a lot of expensive products by taking advantage of innocent patients like many other skin clinics do. And after we had a talk about my skin, he suggested me to try a chemical peel. Only if I wanted to. He never forced, he never tried to brainwash. So I agreed taking a chemical peel, and my chemical peel was done to Yunisha Shahi. Since it was my first time, she did a very lower percentage of chemical peel, so no burns, nothing, just a simple chemical peel. And I was glowing for the next 2 days continuously because of that chemical peel. It was awesome. But from the third day, my skin started getting back to normal. However, I think it helped to some level to get rid of my acne marks. And I think the chemical peel is a great treatment to do for an instant glow. So anyways, this was my first impression. I had a great time. The doctors are down to earth. The colleagues are amazing. The environment is great. Overall, a very great first experience. Loved it.